Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 4.1 of the video lecture series conic section. In this video, we will be looking at the parametric form of the hyperbola and the position of a point with respect to hyperbola. Okay, so what is the parametric form of the hyperbola is? So I have already told you the parametric form means what? It is the locus of a point which satisfies the equation of a hyperbola. Okay, suppose I take one point P in bracket x comma y. So what are the values of x and y such that it satisfies this equation of hyperbola? What is the equation of hyperbola? We have is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So I have to find such values of x and y which satisfies this equation. Okay, so suppose I take x is equals to a sec theta, x is equals to a sec theta and y is equals to b tan theta, then what happens? See here, substitute these two values in this equation. So you will be having a square sec square theta upon a square minus b square tan square theta upon b square is it is equals to 1. So a square cancel, b square cancel. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So we know that this value is 1. So what? 1 is equals to 1, that is LHS equals to RHS. Means what? P in bracket a sec theta comma y, sorry, it is b tan theta. This is the parametric form of the hyperbola. Means what? X is equals to, you take a sec theta and y is equals to b tan theta. This is the parametric equation of the given hyperbola. Please make a note of this. Okay, very simple. So it is the same as we have seen as for the ellipse, that is a cos theta and b sin theta, same thing. So based on that, let's see one question. Find the length of lattice rectum, okay, of the hyperbola represented by x equals to a plus 4 sec theta and y is equals to 2 plus 3 tan theta. What is the length of lattice rectum in hyperbola? It is 2b square by a. It is same as of your ellipse. So take the values. X is equals to what? It is 1 plus 4 sec theta and the y is equals to 2 plus 3 tan theta. So take in the form of parametric equation. So we have x minus 1 is equals to 4 sec theta and y minus 2 is equals to 3 tan theta. So if I compare these two equations with the parametric form of equation, then what we will be having is, this is the value of a, this is my a and this is my b. Okay, so what will be equation of hyperbola then? See, instead of x you have here x minus 1. So write down here x minus 1 whole square upon a square, which is a 16, minus, instead of only y you have y minus 2, that is a shifted hyperbola, y minus 2 whole square upon b square, this is a 9, it is equals to 1. That's it. This is the equation of hyperbola. But what they have asked is 2b square by a. So 2 into what is b square is? It is 9 divided by a kitna hai? It is a 4. So it is 2 gaya, ye 4 gaya 2 se. So 9 by 2 is the 9 by 2 is your answer. That is the length of lattice rectum of this given hyperbola. Isn't it? It's very simple. Okay, please make a note of this. Next concept we have is the position of a point with respect to hyperbola. देखो भाई, ये जो concept है ना, we have seen everywhere. 2D में देखा है, in the line, straight lines, in the circle, in the hyperbola, in the parabola, in the ellipse, and now in the hyperbola. And in each and every topic, the concept remains same. With respect to hyperbola, the point P in bracket m comma n can lie inside the hyperbola, outside the hyperbola, or on the hyperbola. Okay, so for that what we require is, I require the equation of hyperbola, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square. I will take minus 1. Okay, so if suppose, first case, if suppose after substituting the value of p m comma n in this equation, if suppose I get that is m square by a square minus n square by, that is n square by b square minus 1. If this value is less than 0, then what you can say, this is lying inside the hyperbola. The point P m comma n lying inside the hyperbola. If this is equals to 0, then on the hyperbola, and if it is greater than 0, then we say it is outside the hyperbola. It's very simple, and the concept is same as we have seen previous. So based on this, let's find out the answer to this question. Find the position of a point 2, 3 relative to the hyperbola x square by 25 minus y square by 9, x square by 25 minus y square by 9, it is equals to 1. So इस point का आपको position निकालना है. So what we'll do, we'll directly substitute x and y values as a 2 and 3. So 2 का square कितना आ गया भाई, 4 by 25 minus 3 का square आ गया 9 minus 9 by 9. So we'll take this one this side and let's check what is the value of this. So it is equals to 4 by 25, 9 cancel, so it is 1, so minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so we'll have a minus 2, so 4 minus 2 divided by 25, which is equals to 4 minus 50 divided by 25. See, if you observe in the numerator, you are having the negative value, means what, it is less than 0 value. This ये हो गया minus 46 by 25, and this is definitely negative value, means what, it is a less than 0 value, means what, the point is lying inside the hyperbola. I hope you are getting this. Okay, very good. So that's it for this video. This was a very short video but very effective video. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Share this video with your friends, juniors and seniors. Comment whatever the doubts you have, or the comment how you find this video, and definitely you will be clicking this circle here so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you.